Are you serious?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm ready. Like, look, I didn't even wear anything underneath.
It's okay.
It will be freezing cold. Our neighbors are coming. They're here. They're here. Our neighbors.
Hi neighbors, did you ride?
Hi! Colorblind eh.
Hurry up, get in and let's go on an adventure.
Alright.
Road to salty eyes, fighting since November in a frozen diamond.
Hey guys, we're at Mount Rainier National Park. Crazy, and it's freaking raining. I use my towel to just cover the camera and the microphone, but oh my gosh, it's so nature. The hell I'm doing? I don't know if you could see me, but there's a lake. I don't know, maybe it's a crater. But yeah, so far it's very adventurous, but the road here is very rough. It's not advisable for compact cars. So we are at Maui Lake Trail, and this three little baby. Hello. Where are we? Can I see you in the map? Hey guys, we don't know, I don't know where are we, but we are here at Jump Start Espresso, getting coffee, and we'll eat our packed lunch over here, and then we'll head to the Mount Rainier National Park Visitor Center, because the first stop that we went is, it's still a not visitor center, it's still part of Mount Rainier, but then I don't know, it's rough road, it's, I don't know how to describe it, but see you in our next stop.
Or in the common street, on Steam Mountain where old and new friendly faces meet, saving like some Jesus revelry, 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 saving me. Now we have come too far to give up on the only thing we ever really love. Won't give up on the only ones we ever really love.
Hi! So we're here at Mount Rainier. As you can see behind me, it's the vast mountain of Mount Rainier, and it's freaking cold. It's 29 degrees, and I don't have gloves, and I only have a Converse shoes. I'm not ready to be here, but
I'm digging it. I'm digging it.
you see that? Mount Rainier, and look at that too.
Okay, let's go inside first and then come out.
Alright, so we're heading in this visitor center. I'm sorry, my camera is shaking. It's really cold. I don't have gloves. I can't feel my hands. My lips are so numb.
Odes to the wild and free, wild and free, wild and free, this family.